Following cleaning, the soybeans are conditioned and flaked. Conditioning involves adjusting the moisture content of the soybeans using steam or water, which softens them for easier processing. After conditioning, the soybeans are crushed into flakes by roller mills. Flaking increases the surface area of the soybeans. The next major component is the extraction system, typically utilizing hexane as a solvent. In this phase, the soybean flakes are immersed in a solvent bath within an extractor, allowing the oil to be dissolved out. The mixture of oil and solvent, known as miscella, after extraction, the crude oil enters the refining process, which includes deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization stages. These steps remove gums, free fatty acids, color pigments, and odorous compounds, respectively, resulting in clear. Finally, the production line concludes with packaging equipment, where the refined oil is measured, filled into containers, and sealed for distribution. Throughout the entire process,